So we have done these things today. Okay. So this is how we are learning the topic. Okay. So this topic is very important, and this is the basic actually, and every software programmer should know this kind of the basic. Okay. So हे basic आहे आणि हे basic तुम्हाला येणं खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. If you are IT student or non-IT student, okay, no matter. To become a good software engineer, these things you should know very well. Okay, so कोणाला काही डाऊट असेल तर विचारा, नो वरी. सो या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण या सगळ्या गोष्टी पाहिलेल्या कालच्या टॉपिकमध्ये. So this is all things we have learned. So anybody have any question, doubts, please let me know. And here we have covered the new topic one. This is the one. This is the two.